Hey, my name is Ali, and this is Sonic the Ionic. So it's spring cleaning here at Sonic the Ionic, and I got some help from my friends from Best EV Mod, and they make some of the best products for the Ioniq 5 2022 and 2023. So I want you to check it out and let me know what you think about it in the comments. Come with me. So Ioniq 5 comes with floor mats that are cloth. While it's really good, it also has some disadvantages. One of which is the fact that it tends to track a lot of dirt and just mud in general. But this product from Best EV Mod is plastic, so it's a plastic floor mat, and it really helps with not tracking any dirt or mud inside the vehicle. And even if you have a dog or a pet, it is really good with not tracking any dog hair or cat hair into the vehicle. And even if it does, it's super easy to clean, again, because it's plastic. So one of the best things about the Ioniq 5 is the fact that it comes with this two huge display screens, and it's all good, but one problem you can run into is the fact that you can get smudges on these screens, and if you're like me, you don't like the smudges. So this is where the screen protector comes in. It's wonderful. The screen protector over here is wonderful in preventing smudges, dirt, and just general fingerprints on the screen. As you can see, it comes here with the black frame that is very futuristic, and really this portion of it, this film, took only like a couple minutes to install, so it's super easy to install. All you need to do really is wipe the screen, the dashboard, the display board with your the given towels and wipes, and then you simply just apply it and try to get out any bubbles. So it's a super easy installing process. So as you can see, the display screen right now that I have on is in white mode, and I just want to see what happens when it's in dark mode with the dark frame. So I'll go ahead and try to set that up. So let's go into that. Here it is, dark mode, the dark frame. Let me know what you think in the comments, for it or against it, like it or nay. So I like to think of myself as a pretty organized person, and Best EV Mod are a wonderful spot to get these storage trays. And these storage trays come in different compartments that have different sizes. So you can see you can put a pen in here, you can put like a charger, you can put a bigger box like a piece of gum, you even have space for lip gloss or anything like that. And they're really cool because they come in, when you get it, they come with these grip resistant pads that are pre-cut, so you simply just put them in there. They really help with putting everything and having everything be stable, so that's really good. As well, you'll notice that because Ioniq 5 has this armrest, has the ability to kind of lift and drop. So even if you lifts and drop these, because of these ridges that are inside here, the contents of the compartments do not slide back and forth. In similar fashion, there's also this secondary compartment storage here that has the same grip pads. You have enough space to put your phone in here. And just make note that Ioniq 5's charger is down here, the wireless charger, so it in no way affects your ability to get to this charger. You're able to do both at the same time. So if I decide not to charge my phone, I can simply store it over here, and it works great. So one of the last things I want to show you is the trunk mat. And for this example, we'll talk about how dirty this ball looks. So I tend to use this ball a lot. It gets dirty every once in a while. Best EV Mod makes the best products in trunk mats, because as you can see, it's harder to track dirt, and it's harder to make the surface in general dirty. With these mats, the quality of it is really good, and even if you do end up with a dirty mat, it's really easy to clean once again. And like I said, this is a simple to install product, and you don't have to worry about any tools or any long installation processes. So it's really wonderful in that way. And then the other thing I also want to talk about is the cargo cover right here. So typically, the Ioniq 5 does not come with its own cargo cover. You kind of have to look for that on your own if you want it. And there's no better place, I believe, to find than Best EV Mods website, and that is because with it, it's easy to install again, and it's a great quality product that helps you, prevent. So if I wanted to keep this ball really safe, just store it in here. My vehicle does come with tinted covers or tinted glass, but this is an extra layer of protection, an anti-theft product. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed the products I talked about today, please visit the link in the description below. It'll take you straight to Best EV Mods website where you can purchase the product. And again, thank you so much for our friends at Best EV Mod, and have a good one. I'll see you all next time.